Hi, it's Ramonica, and I want to talk to you today about the new Ipsy Glam X box. Now, you've probably seen this all over the web, but this baby it came in an amazing box, but you don't care about the box, right? Let's throw the box on the floor. Let's jump into the products that are included. So first, this was my first time receiving it. And to be honest with you, I had completely forgotten about the box. So what I want to do is I want to start with one of my favorite products from the collection. It is this matte lipstick called About Face. Y'all, on everything, this color is fab. So I had to put this on. I just thought, like, why do the damn video if you're not going to rep the color? Like, this thing is freaking amazing. I'm loving this color. I'll list the color description below, but this was one of the things inside of the box that I freaking love. Like, I've had this color on all day. I think I've touched it up maybe one time. It is a vegan lip color, but it's amazing. And it retails for like $22. It's called About Face. Love it. Okay, so the second thing that was inside the box that I'm really crushing on, and it's one of the main reasons why I actually ordered it. Of course, y'all probably know from the packaging who this is, from our girl, Pat McGrath. So I'm going to be honest with you. I've gotten so used to wearing lashes that I don't wear a lot of mascara. Now, this is the Fetish Eyes mascara. I'm going to open it just so you can see the brush. Very nice. I'll be honest with you. I thought it was just a little stiff, but at any rate, I have it on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I actually have this on. So anyway, I guess I'll wear it, you know, like, again, for the most part, I'm usually in a pair of lashes, but I wanted to put on as much as I could from this kit. I think it's one thing when people come on and they tell you like what's inside the kit. It's a whole nother thing to see it on somebody. So I actually have this on my lids. I'll close it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hopefully you can. All right. So anyway, let's keep this train moving. And I'm like showing you the things that I've like used first, like right out the gate. So the other thing that was included in the pack, which by the way, if you don't know anything about the Glam X pack, the Glam X bag, excuse me, it was a curated special thing. I think it comes out quarterly. Again, I forgot that I had even ordered it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, dang, Ipsy done stepped it up. Like, they sending out big boxes. And I was like, no, sis, you ordered this. You pay extra for it. So Ipsy, appreciate y'all. Loving the new upgrade, the big curated box. It's super sweet. Yeah, y'all gonna need to let that thing roll out a little bit more than quarterly. Okay, so this is Saints and Center. It's like a hair illuminator. So I put this on my unit. I'm just saying, it's supposed to like illuminate your hair. I don't know. I think my hair looks pretty dang on good, which by the way, this unit is by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. But yes, I did put this on my hair, and obviously it's a little silky and shiny. So I'm liking it. It was a little thick, but hey, we rolling with it. So this is Saints and Centers. This was inside of the pack. Now, the next thing is this blush. First, can we talk about this peach rosy gold colored packaging? I'm loving it. It's beautiful. Beautiful packaging. Now, I'm not sure who Patrick, I hope his name, I'm saying it correctly, T-A, Patrick T-A, Ta, not sure. But anyway, let's see if we can get this open. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. So again, beautiful, beautiful packaging. This is the blush that I have on. Again, I don't know that it showed up like a ton, but I put it on. It's pretty. I'll put it on again. Okay, maybe. All right, let's keep the train moving. Now let's get to, okay. I wanted to show you the things that I've actually used. Let's pause for a second. Let me show you this little thing that came with it. I thought this was pretty cool. The little Glam X bag. Let's just call it a newsletter. Thought it was cute. You know, like he has his pics in here. It's falling apart. But anyway, listen, this was pretty cool. I like this because it tells you how to use it. It tells you what everything actually retails for. All of that. I thought it was a nice added touch. There's a little tutorial in here, how to use it. Great, Ipsy. I'm real impressed with how y'all put this box together. Like, this is really cute. Okay, let's keep going. Now, okay, so I know, I feel like people in the makeup industry are gonna try to like revoke any card that I ever had. When I tell you this, I don't own anything by, is it Huda? Huda Beauty? I don't own anything by them, but I did put on a little bit of one of the colors. So let me show y'all this, because I thought this was, the packaging was beautiful on this. Hope y'all can see that. That's beautiful, right? I love this. This is really, really pretty. I've never seen anything like this, but I thought this little transparency was cute as well. And then obviously we get into the actual palette. Hope y'all can see this. Oh, that's reflecting down on my MacBook. Okay, there we go. Really pretty. You can already tell what I had my hands in, but guys, we'll have to come back. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just like a makeup fanatic, but I thought this was really pretty. Really, really pretty. And like I said, I threw on a couple of the colors. Let's see which ones, because someone's gonna say, well, which color did you have on, girl? Okay, girl, I had on Moon Dust and Henna. Moon Dust, Henna, and Black Truffles. So let me show you those. Because again, someone's going to say, which ones did you wear? This one. I put on a little bit of the black, which is right here. Wait, other way, right there. And then I put on just a little bit of this color right here. Just a little, like, seriously. So, because I just wanted to like see how it showed up. I never used it before. So anyway, I think this packaging is beautiful. I'll definitely play around with this. This is amazing. Now, I want to share with you a couple of things that I have not actually used. So this is R+C. It is a kombucha hair wash. Yeah, we'll try it. I don't know about that right there. I'm just saying, I don't know. Now, Babe Lash. Thought this was cute. I have not used it, but apparently it's supposed to like make your lashes grow. Let's see if we can even get it out the packaging. This is a real true like unboxing. You know, like you trying to get it open and you can't. But anyway, this is what came in it. And by the way, these are all full-size packages. The kit was $55. I know like that Huda Beauty thing probably retails for like $55 if I'm not mistaken. So just like really in one product, you got your money back. And then of course, I told y'all I'm loving this About Face lip color. And it's driving me nuts that I don't see the color. But anyway, dang it, what is the color? Where is the color? Is it on here? And maybe I just can't see it. Oh my gosh, I'll post it below. But anyway, this is the lash stuff. I guess I'm supposed to put this on. I will. I'll definitely try it out because I would love for my own lashes to grow. And so that was in here. And then finally, I just call this thing, this is by Complex Culture. This was the last thing that was in the package. I have not used it yet, but it's cool. It's heavy. You know, I guess you're supposed to like, you know, massage your face, kind of move the moisturizer and all of that around. I don't know, but anyway, we're gonna use this. There's some little instructions on how to, but I wanted to come on and I wanted to share this amazing box with you all. So I'm just gonna run through the products one more time and then we're gonna be out of here. So this face roller came inside of the kit. This lip color that I'm actually wearing, I will put the color below, but it is like a matte-ish kind of purpley color, which again, I'm loving it. I'm really like a red girl. Like, I like this so much. I'm going to order some red from this company. I saw 2 colors in a red because this has really stayed on all day through the red beans and rice, everything. Girl, this stayed on. So this was also in the kit. This is a babe lash. This is designed to help your lashes grow. Excited to try that out. This is supposed to like be a hair smoother and a hair illuminator. I thought, okay, it can be used on wet or dry hair. I just put a little bit on my hair before I jumped on, and I was like, okay, I'm feeling this. This works. And then Patrick Ta, T-A, I'm not sure. I love you. Your packaging is amazing. This is beautiful. Thank you for curating an amazing box. And then the Huda Beauty Kit, which I'll pull it out just one more time so you guys can actually see this. Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Hopefully you guys can see that. And you can see all of the colors. So I'm loving that. And then finally, my girl, Pat McGrath, I'm actually wearing her foundation right now, had a mascara in here. So Ipsy, thank you so much for the Glam X packaging offering for $55. Feel free to make these more of these available in the future, not quarterly, but maybe monthly, because this is a pretty cool thing. So like for $55 a month, I feel like I got a lot of stuff right here. Like this would, I think this box probably retails for around $350 or more, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. Don't come for me. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and share all of these cool, amazing things. I'm definitely going to get the next one because this is pretty cool stuff. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm Romonica Plachette. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tune in next time to this video. Oh yeah, hit the like button. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.